So now let's start with the question number 3 of 2025 October. So what we can say is they are talking about a six-sided die which is fair, and the random variable is y, which is representing the score on the uppermost face. Yeah, every time in such questions what is important is a random variable y. So we'll first identify y, which is score on the uppermost face. Okay, so whenever we have it, we have the variable y. So the options are score can be 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 or 6. So the probability y being a variable would be 1/6, because we know it's a uniform distribution. Since it's a fair coin, everything has 1/6 probability. Okay, so if we really check this is a uniform distribution. Just for your knowledge, the question didn't ask about it, but yeah, since this is a revision, now they're asking us the probability function. So whenever we are writing the probability functions, how do we say it for a uniform function is probability of y equals to y would be 1/6 for y equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is our probability function. So this is pretty straightforward. So this is how you say it. And they are saying state the name of the distribution of y. Yeah, state the name. So that's gonna be uniform distribution. To improve our answer, we can also say whether this is continuous or discrete. Actually, in this case, it is discrete because these are different variables. Okay, now let's go to the question number C. In the question number C, what they are saying is to find the EX y. So in the CE 4y plus 3. So we know here what we can write is we can write 4EY plus 3 separately. So our goal is to find the EY and substitute back here. So let me take that by another color. Okay. How to get the EY? We know in a EY on such a questions, what do we gonna take is it's gonna be x times the probability. So in this case also it will be 1 times 1/6 plus 2 times 1/6 plus so on. So the last would be 6 times 1/6. So as we know, you can take it since it's a uniform thing, and even you can get commons out. This would be this, which is 3.5. Okay, we got the EY. Once we have the EY value, now it's just a matter of coming back and substituting it here. This is going to be 4 times 3.5 plus 3, which you're going to take the value as 17. So this is our E 4y plus 3 value. So this is how you do. This is a pretty straightforward question and an easy 6 marks. Thank you.